grilled cheese and malt milk. So then I go over there and have breakfast before I go home.
Well, somebody said that they served, I think, what's his name from WBD or whatever, that he had French toast mix.
So these Ben's pretzels, people constantly ask on our social media, are they going to be there? When do they open? So tell them, when are we going to get our pretzels?
We're open here Wednesday through Sunday from 10 in the morning until whenever we close, between 11 and midnight usually.
Oh, those are pretty long hours.
Yes.
All right, plenty of chance to get pretzels.
Yep.
And is there a favorite that people...
The original is definitely the most popular, but garlic is a close second.
Garlic is a close second?
Yep.
And so could you just tell us the secret ingredients now, or?
We don't really have a secret ingredient.
There's no
The secret ingredient is love.
Okay, hard work.
And hard work, yep,
Hard work,
definitely.
good ingredients.
Yep.
All right. And so you guys have been coming to our fair for quite a few years. Is there a busier time or day?
Definitely afternoon, dinner time is the busiest here for sure.
The busiest.
Yep.
So people should buy like 3 or 4 at a time. What do you recommend?
Yeah, at least 3 minimum for sure.
3 at a
Yeah.
time?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Or 4, if you want to try all 4 different flavors, go for it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Get one of each flavor, and then you don't have to wait in line again.
There you go. Yep.
All right, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hey, I've waited all year to have your cheese curds, so yeah, it's like every year it's the same. You remember the same faces and from the same fairs, and they'll come back 3-4 times throughout the fair. A lot of 4-H people, you know, because fairs are about 4-H more so. So yeah, I've been doing this 26 years, so I've been at this fair 23 years. So
Great, thank you.
it's been good.
And so, are you going to tell us the secret recipe?
No, I can't. I can't do that.
And? No?
I can tell you, I get my cheese where I get my cheese.
Well, that's okay. You don't have to tell us the secrets, but
But,
it's really good, right?
Yeah. At least that's what the customers tell me.
All
Must
right.
be working for me, huh?
Yep. All right. Well, they'll have to come and try some cheese curds for themselves.
There you go.
Good. Good. It's delicious.
Delicious?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What do we got here?
These are mozzarella sticks
With marinara.
with marinara sauce. Do you want to try a bite?
More delicious than I can say.
Okay. More than words can say. Great. All right. Well,
Bye.
mozzarella sticks at the county fair.
Yes. Nice homemade
Enjoy.
sauce. Thank you.
All right. How's it going today?
Pretty good. Business is kind of slow right now because it's the beginning of the day. Rides are still getting more open, but hopefully when they start coming, like people see the donuts, and I'll pick up later tonight.
Donuts. What other kind of things do you sell?
Donuts, we have frozen apple cider, which is probably like one of our biggest sellers for drink wise. Also frozen coffee. We do hot coffee as well and iced coffee.
Oh, those are some of my favorites. So good. All right. And is this your first year at the fair?
This is my second year. This is like my first year working at the donut. Usually I'd be in another stand. I kind of like the donut. It's a little bit more relaxed, but the only thing that's kind of tedious is the batter issues we get.
Sure. Yeah, get it perfect. Yeah.
Mhm. With all the humidity and like the wind, sometimes it can be a little finicky.
Sure. All right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
it said you're from Randolph.
Yep,
Right? So do you come here every year?
I do.
You do. What is your favorite thing about the fair?
My favorite thing about the fair is probably the derbies and the truck pulls.
Truck pulls. Okay. Are you here for the concert?
I am. This is my first time actually being here at a concert, so I'm kind of excited.
Did you come last? You didn't come last night?
No, I didn't come last
That
night.
was a good concert. Any favorite food here, or favorite rides, or what's your favorite thing? Any memories?
I definitely enjoy the cheese curds that come here like every year for the cheese curds.
They're right there. It's
Yep,
called the
I got some earlier. I got a pretty full stomach of them right now.
Yes. So he likes my favorite cheese curds too. I think it's called Cops or something.
Yeah,
They're right there, but they go right in front of the beer tent.
Yep.
So they know where to go. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, what's your favorite thing at the fair?
The rides.
The rides? Do you have a favorite ride? No, all of them? All of them. Okay. Are they sometimes scary, or are you pretty brave?
I'm brave.
You're brave. All right. Well, enjoy the rides at the fair. Thank you. Okay. What's your favorite memory at the fair?
My favorite memory would probably have to, I don't know how long ago it was, but it was a couple of years ago. Actually a while ago. It was me, my family. It was me and my family, and it was so, and it rained. So and we were out there, and it rained, so it had to get canceled, and then we all tracked through mud.
Oh, on the racetrack, you all got
Yep,
through the really deep mud.
Yep, and with the stroller.
Oh.
It was so fun, but it was also horrible.
Well, you survived, so
Yeah,
that's
we
a
did.
good memory of the fair.
Yeah.
And what are you guys going to do today?
We're gonna be going back to our house, meet with my big brother for a little bit, and then coming back for rides.
And eating.
see Chris Lane.
And see Chris Lane.
Oh, that sounds
Especially
fun.
because of Pets Carolina Tales, California.
Oh. Well, enjoy your cheese curds. They look delicious.
It does.
Okay.
But I'll steal some for sure. All right, bye.